All right, 6:02 in the morning right now. Looking ahead, the state's transportation secretary is heading to Harnett County today to tour some of the county's damaged areas.
Wednesday night's rainfall left behind some serious flooding problems. CBS North Carolina's Justin Quisenberry is in Bun Level this morning. Justin, what are you seeing out there?
Well, we're along Thompson Road, which is closed this morning, and take a look. You can see exactly why. It's washed out. Still very much, I should say, a lot of damage out here. You can see the pipe is surrounded by water. This is not nearly as much water as we were seeing yesterday. I want to show you some video from yesterday where the water was several feet higher. The street was cut into two out here. A white pickup truck actually fell into the hole at one point. The driver of that truck is in good condition, but the road could take some time to repair. Water was also overflowing the banks at Jumping Run Creek. Our cameras caught a car that was completely submerged under water after an accident during the storm there. The transportation secretary will be seeing all this for himself when he meets with local DOT engineer and staff members out here at 9 o'clock today. As for the washed out part of Thompson Road, NCDOT officials estimate it could take about 2 weeks to repair this, and the road is expected to be open in about a month from now. Live in Harnett County, Justin Quisenberry, CBS North Carolina.